Did you know this powerful spice can be turned into a nourishing oil for your hair and skin? Today, I'm going to show you how to make alligator pepper oil at home. So, to make this oil, you will need alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is a warming spice known for stimulating effect on the skin, hair. It will help to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. It has a warming sensation which will help to waken up any weak follicles, support scalp health, and reduce dryness. And so this is alligator pepper. I'm going to open it. You can see alligator pepper is also good for the skin. It will provide warmth and stimulation. So these two ingredients will help to stimulate the scalp, support the scalp health, which indirectly will help hair grow stronger and reduce breakage. So clove is rich in compound like eugenol. It will help to boost scalp circulation, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. And we know that better circulation equal to a healthy environment for hair growth. Just need a teaspoon of this pepper, so I'm going to be adding it. So with a coffee blender, I'm going to add this and crush it so that it will help to release their natural oil and also boost the fat. So I'm done crushing it. This will make it easier for me. So for the infusion, you can decide to do the cold infusion by leaving this to sit for at least 14 days or more. We can decide to do the double boiler method. So decide to add any oil of your choice. Use coconut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. So I'm going to be using the cold infusion. So I'm going to leave this, cover it, and leave it to sit for about 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks, so after infusing for about 2 weeks or more, strain to get the oil, or you can decide to scoop and use the oil. You can add this oil to your body cream, hair cream, or even use it to make your shea butter. So this oil can be used for your hair, skin, even use it to massage. You can also add this oil to your meal. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.